The lockbox is burning my hands. Mom's scream still ricochets inside my skull. She's behind me, breathing like something feral. I run. I don't know what I just saw. I only know it was never supposed to exist. She swore she burned it. She swore, but here it is, heavier than fire, humming with secrets. I want to drop it, I call. Because inside is the reason she never let me look her in the eye on February 9th. The reason she flips the second pancake twice. The reason I think I might not be the only one who made it out alive. I still smell the butter. Sunday, always Sunday. Mom hums the same 3 notes. Pan sizzles. I sit on the counter, legs dangling, counting bubbles in the batter. She flips the first cake, perfect, circle, golden. Second cake, flip, flip again. I pretend I don't hear her whisper. She thinks I'm too far. I'm not. She says it's for the one we lost. I never asked who. I thought it was a pet. Dad's chair stays empty, mug still chipped. She won't replace it. I hand her the syrup. She smiles with her mouth, not her eyes. I don't notice. I do. The attic door creaks at night. She says it's wind. I believe her. I do. I once found a tiny sock behind the radiator, blue newborn size. I showed her. She said it was mine. I was 5. It was. I let it go. I always let it go. Pancakes stack 3 for me, 2 for her. 1 left on the plate. She stares at it too long, then throws it away. I think it's ritual. I think it's grief. I think it's nothing. I never ask. I should have. I'm whispering the numbers. 3201 birthday. My thumb slips twice. Metal squeals. Smell of burnt plastic. I gag inside. Ash, real ash. Like she tried to cremate the thing and gave up. I brush it away. My palm comes back gray. First object, hospital bracelet, soft edges, melted clasp. Her name. Her name, not mine. Date. The year I turned 5. I remember balloons, not this. Under the bracelet, Polaroid square, white frame, cracked baby red skin tubes like angel hair. Not me. I was chubby. This one's tiny, fists the size of sugar cubes. Back of the photo, ink bled. Only 2 letters stay, then nothing. My lungs quit. I try to inhale. Attic dust. Nothing moves. Floorboards creak behind me. I don't turn. If it's her, I'll hear screaming. If it's not, I'll hear worse. I taste iron. I bet my tongue didn't feel it. The baby's eyes are closed, peaceful. Like it agreed to leave. I count toes. I count again, still 10. My knees knock. The beam pain finally arrives. I stay down. Ash floats. Sunbeam turns it into snow. Snow on a dead child. I tuck the bracelet in my sleeve. Photo against my chest. Paper cold as a ruler. Heartbeat tries to punch through. I tell it shut up. Evidence needs silence. I close the box. Numbers don't line up anymore. I leave it open-mouthed. A voice comes, hers far away. Breakfast is burning. I stand. Legs drunk. I don't answer. She calls again. Same words, different life. I look back. Ash settled like guilt. I know I'll track it downstairs. I already feel it under my nails. I already smell it in her pancakes. I take the first step. Wood moans. I moan back. The photo flutters against my heart. I press it harder. I still can't tell if it's breathing. I reach the kitchen. Pancake smoke curls. She stands there, spatula trembling. I hold the box between us. She sees the bracelet. Her knees fold. No scream now, just air leaving. She whispers 1 sentence, stillborn. Same week Dad left. She buried the grief for me. I believe her. I need the pain to have a shape, a grave, a reason. We slump to the tiles. She strokes my hair. I let her. I cry into her shoulder. Salt on salt. I say, we'll heal. She nods. I nod harder. I feel the story settle. Heavy blanket, ugly, but over. I almost smile, almost. Then the bracelet glints. Patient ID, my birth date, my number. Not hers, mine. The room tilts. I was admitted that day. Minor surgery, she said. Tonsils, easy. Home by dinner. I remember the ice cream. I remember missing a day of kindergarten. I remember no pain. I ask again. She says, the same voice, smaller eyes. Wetter. I flip a pancake. 1 flip. It lands perfect. She used to flip twice for the one we lost. I stare at the photo. Newborn, not me. Too small, too still. But the wristband matches my wrist, my weight, my footprint. I understand nothing. I understand everything. There were two. One came home, one didn't. I flip the pancake again. It tears, she says behind me, soft. You were so small, they let me take you home the same night. I don't turn. I keep flipping torn pieces, burnt edges. I ask the ceiling, not her, where did the other one go? The spatula keeps moving. She doesn't answer. The lockbox is burning my palms. I can't put it down. Every breath tastes like metal. I keep replaying her collapse. The way she grabbed my shirt, begged me to stop digging. She said the baby died inside her. Said Dad left because he couldn't face it. Said she burned everything to protect me. I believed her. I wanted to believe her. Her tears felt real against my neck, but the bracelet won't let me believe. The numbers won't let me forget. Patient ID 8,472,916. My social security number ends in 2916. My birthday is August 4th. The admission date is August 4th, 1997. I pull out my phone with shaking fingers. Search the hospital records there. It is my name, my ID, admitted for minor surgery. Same day she claims her baby died. Same day she says I stayed home with Dad, but Dad didn't leave until November. I remember his suitcase. I remember him crying in my door. I remember being 5 and getting ice cream. She said it was for being brave. Said I fell off my bike. I checked the Polaroid again, the newborn's face. The birthmark on its temple. I have the same mark, same shape, same spot. Mirror image. The pancake burns, smoke fills the kitchen. I don't move to flip it. She's humming in the garden, now planting flowers like nothing happened. Like she didn't lie for 26 years. I could confront her again, watch her crumble. Make her tell the truth. I could call the hospital, demand records. Learn what minor surgery means. I could walk away, pretend I never looked. Let her keep her secret, but the lockbox is open. The questions won't close. The truth won't burn. I hear her footsteps on the porch. The door creaks open. Her shadow falls across the floor. My hand tightens on the bracelet. The metal cuts into my palm. Blood drops onto the Polaroid. She calls my name. Soft, careful, like I'm 5 again. I stare at the newborn's face, at my face. At what might still be breathing somewhere. The spatula clatters to the floor. She asks if I'm okay. I open my mouth. Nothing comes out. I back away until the wall stops me. The bracelet dents my skin. I taste iron. She steps closer. Pancake batter drips from her fingers. White dots on the floor like tiny ghosts. I hold the Polaroid between us. The baby sleeps unblinking. I whisper the date. She flinches. Her lips tremble. No. I ask about the stillbirth. She says it was mercy. She says it was quiet. I almost believe her. Then I see the bracelet again. My patient ID. My 5-year-old wrist. Same night, same hospital, same room. I remember balloons, a red lollipop. A needle, a long sleep. I ask if I was alone. She says of course. Her eyes slide left. I ask where Dad went. She says he couldn't look. At what she won't say, I feel the floor tilt. The kitchen shrinks. The ceiling lowers like a lid. I ask if there was another baby. She breathes through her mouth, a yes stuck in her throat. I ask if it breath. She covers her face. Her shoulders shake. I ask where it is now. She says gone. She says ashes. She says forget. I flip the pancake once, not twice. The uncooked side stares up, pale, waiting. I hear her behind me, soft voice, same lullaby. She hums 2 names, mine. And another. I turn. The doorway is empty. I call the name I don't know. No answer, only the hum. I look at the attic hatch, still closed, still breathing. I take a step. She doesn't stop me. She doesn't move. The hall is dark. The stairs creak under. Yesterday, I grip the bracelet. I count the teeth marks. 1 for every year. I thought I was only 1. I reach the landing. The air feels full, like someone else is already breathing it. I whisper, stay. I don't know who I'm talking to. The attic door handle turns before I touch it.